I have an amazing video to share with you of an amazing father who does something wonderful to save his children. Look what he does to save his 3 children while they are having fun and looks like skiing or sliding in the snow. This is wonderful. How cute is the little boy here? Him saying thank God after the father saves them, and he doesn't forget to thank God for that. I mean, this man probably should get the Father of the Year award if anything like this exists. Is there an award, Father of the Year? Let's watch the video, friends, together with the sound.